welcome to Apple Topics, and let's go ahead and open this box up.
But before opening it, I'm going to tell you the price.
And this was $10, $9.99. I'm going to go ahead and open this up from the top, and it comes in a little bag, as you can see inside there. This is a not transparent bag. That's all in the box, by the way, as you can see. And this is all you get in the box. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up. Let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, by the way, I broke my arm in case you didn't notice. Yeah, whatever.
So it's like a sleeping bag. I'm not sure what it's made from. I think it's like aluminum.
And here we have the LEDs. So you can see there's nothing inside there. Oh, yeah. And last but not least, as you can see, these slide it away. You have your controller, which is super glassy. It is very glassy. As you can see, you have your power on, power off. They're very clicky, but you can definitely feel it's just plastic. But who cares? You have a different 4 modes. You have flash, strobe, fade, and smooth. I will definitely go ahead and show that to you next after the video. I mean, not after the video, but later on the video. Here you have your user's guide, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it close to the camera so you can see. I'm not gonna read it. Who reads instructions? Well, you might read instructions, but I don't. So yeah, and now that we have read this stuff, I'm just gonna throw them away. This bag, we won't use it anymore right now, so yeah, okay. Now we are back in business. So it is 6 feet long, and you have here your USB cable. So the LEDs don't go directly to USB. You have to connect this cable into the LEDs, which makes it USB. Not a very long cable, as you can see. Let me just go ahead and connect this into my electricity box. We have connected it, and I think this is your IR receiver. Go ahead and take off the battery strip. It should be able now to turn on the LEDs when we connect this. Oh, okay. Let's go ahead and change the color to white. Red. It's like 3 o'clock, so it's pretty bright outside. Technically, there's a giant window next to me right there, so you can still see it in the day. And let's go ahead and put the brightness down. Camera can see it. Now they're not that bright. And now, but if you put it like, you can also put it back bright again. Okay, so if I were you, you would tape it down, because as you can see, it gets disconnected very easily. I'm gonna try out flash first of all. Flash. That's flash. So it's gonna go through every single color, flashing, as you can see. And let's go ahead and turn flash off. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in green. And let's go ahead and click strobe. So this is going again. It will go through every single light, so through every single color of the light. But instead of flashing quickly between all the colors, it's gonna fade and then come back with the other color. Even though there's also a button which says fade, which does technically the same thing, but it does it even more seamless. Now we have smooth. That's not very smooth, but yeah, I guess smooth means that it can go Okay, so technically flash is for it to go faster, changing color is faster, and then smooth is the same thing but slower. Okay, and then we have our black button to turn it off. We can turn it back on, as you can see. And also I think the controller brings a protective film on it, so it won't get scratched. I'm not gonna scratch it though right now. But if you want, you can take that protective film off, which I won't. It will be very satisfying, but I just want to make it protective. So also this white thing actually is just a sticker. If you take this white thing off, you're gonna see the contacts. But who cares about that? The thing is, the good thing is very light. It's very light. It is very easy to change the battery. This controller is actually literally, I think it's the same controller as my other LED lights I had. And yeah, let's go ahead and install them and see you later. For this, I brought it down, let's go ahead and take the actual LEDs out. As you can see, let's just take everything from the bag. And we don't need them anymore. And yeah, let's go ahead and install them. Connect that to the iMac. So we're gonna connect this to the iMac, as you can see. Let me move my chocolate milk. And yeah. So sorry for all the cables I have back there. As you can see, I do have 2 USB ports already plugged in. In here, and I'm gonna hand over my the camera to my cameraman once again, and now we can go ahead do that. Okay, so we're gonna start with this side because this is where the connections are, and as you can see, as soon as I plug it in, the lights should turn on. We're gonna go ahead and move our iMac a little bit this way, more like a little bit the other way. I don't know if you are gonna be able to see very well. And we're gonna go ahead and first of all, actually, the USB, I'm gonna disconnect that, and the iMacs have this hole to make the cables more organized, so I'm gonna do that, connect that in, and I'm gonna go ahead and do this. I'm gonna put that in there, so now I can simply connect this directly under here where it's not visible. I'm gonna go ahead and take the tape off, and we're gonna start putting the tape right there. And let me just turn it on to see if it looks good. Looks great. We're gonna keep pasting this. Do see some imperfections right there, but that doesn't really matter since the LEDs are flexible, some of them. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put the iMac back towards the wall. Let me just close the notification of the low battery status of my keyboard. I know, iMac, you don't have to remind me. I know. Okay, and that is it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I will go ahead and turn the lights off, the house lights, and turn the LEDs on. And this is the end result. Okay, so there we have it. These 4 are the primary colors. That has the LEDs. It has 4 lights, which what they do is they combine these 4 lights to do these other colors, to do the form factor even smaller. Let's go ahead and shut down the computer, and I want to see how much it takes for the computer to. Let's go ahead and shut down, and so you're gonna see the screen go off, but you're also gonna see the LEDs go off, and I want to see how much time, like when does the LED go off? Does the screen of the iMac turn off and then the LEDs turn off, or do both turn off at the same time, or does the LEDs turn off before? So I'm gonna do some time lapse about this because this is gonna be boring for you guys. hold the power button for 10 seconds until the display goes off. And as you can see, let me just turn on the flash. As you can see, literally, as soon as I turned the iMac off, the LEDs and the iMac were turned off. So your LEDs won't be using any electricity as long as your iMac is turned off or you're disconnected from your iMac's USB port. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell icon so you get a notification every time I upload a video in YouTube. Hope you enjoyed it, and peace out.